Yeah, but I remember because he was like looking at me very suspiciously, and I found it really annoying. Your mama is gonna kill me for that.
Hey guys, welcome back to our podcast. My name is Iman. I'm a Gen Z.
And my name is Faiza. I'm Millennial and her mother.
And today we will be discussing something that I've not seen a lot of people do. And the idea is my mom will be sharing her personal story of a lot of things, and we're just gonna react to it basically. So that's what we're gonna do.
Anyway, so today I am sharing my personal story about how we met. That means me and my husband. This July on 24th, we will be married for 20 years.
Props to
Shockingly.
you. Props to you.
Mashallah.
Mashallah. Obviously.
Anyway, yeah, so about 20 years ago, it was October.
Oh, you remember the day?
Yeah, it was October, that's for sure. I remember it. No, actually, it was not October, it was September.
Okay.
Because I have started a job in the school, and yeah, so out of the blue, my parents' friend, they suddenly came by, and I came from school. It was not really cold, but it was like a hot day, and I had a headache, and I came and took a nap. So before nap, because my head was of course aching, so my mother, being mom, said, tel dal lo sar mein.
Honestly,
So I put oil in my hair, had food, and then I went to take a nap. And I remember it very clearly. Actually, my mother came and she keep waking me up. So my mother keep telling Faiza, उठ जाओ, खाना बनाना है, खाना बनाना है. And I was sitting with my mother, and I remember we were watching Grey's Anatomy actually.
no way.
Yeah, and bell rang. So usually, whenever someone is visiting, they usually call and tell you that
Yeah.
they're coming. So we were very surprised that who called. My mother thought it was just our neighbors. So I went and looked through the people, but I found like a couple of people standing there. So I thought, they have like wrong address, but I said, and I did not open the door.
So you just let them stay out there, like,
Because I couldn't recognize them.
okay.
Yeah. So the reason I didn't recognize Mama and Mami is because in June, actually, I came back from Cyprus, or May actually, I came from Cyprus, and they were in Pakistan at that time. So I came back, and I like sitting there, and I was applying for. My parents didn't want me to do like full-time job, so I prefer to go in the school job, as a teacher. So I applied in a couple of schools. So a school near my house was available. They said, okay, we'll look into it. They kept the CV. They did not call me. They called me
What's
in
a
the
CV?
CV is resume.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so they said they will call me. They ended up calling me, and when the new semester started, that is in September. So it was like 10-15 days. The school has started, and they called me. So I didn't even know that they have come back to Kuwait, from holiday. So that's why it was long years since I have met them. So that's why I didn't recognize any of them. All their kids were grown up. So yeah, it was shocking for me. Anyway, long story short, I went to my mom and told her that somebody's out the door, and like a couple of people, that two guys are there and all that. And I said, okay. So when Ammi went and she immediately recognized them, obviously. And she opened the door and she said, "Oh, Assalamu alaikum, yeah," and all that. And I was like, no, before opening the
You
door.
were just so confused कि कौन होगा?
No. Before opening the door, she's telling me, Shabana hai. And I was like, what? I said, okay, you open, I'm going to change. Because I was in an international hulia.
International Holi is just another way of saying like night suit.
Yeah.
And tail in the hair.
Yeah, anyway. Thankfully, I had an iron suit hanging in the bathroom, so I went there and changed immediately, and I came out and I greeted them. So
Was it the same house?
Yeah, it was
It was the
Nana's
same
house.
house?
Yeah, it was Nana's house. Yeah, so it was, of course, Mami Mama, that is my husband's auntie and uncle, and their two kids. They had three kids, but they brought two kids because one of them was at the tuitions. So, and of course, Miraj was with them. They actually they were coming back from visiting some other girl's house.
Oh,
So on the way back, actually, that's what Miraj told me anyway. So he told me that on the way back to their home, Miraj was just casually told his mama that, what about wo jo aaye the, because like 3-4 days back, we went to their house actually, and it's really, really bad that I didn't recognize them.
that's what I was wondering. Like you met them like 3 days ago.
But to be fair, Mami was covering her. Mami was like behind Miraj, so I couldn't see her
Oh,
properly.
Okay, so you couldn't. Yeah, you couldn't.
I only saw Miraj and Mama standing, and like we did not had the like our light outside, so
Yeah,
it was dark.
Even like with the
Yeah, so it
people,
was not
it's so
clear.
confusing,
I
yeah.
just saw like two guys standing, and I was like with the kid, with the Zishan Chachu, and I was like, I don't know anybody like that. Anyways, so 3 days back we went there. They were apparently one of their family members was traveling to Pakistan. It was Mam Shabana Mami's nephew. So he casually just said that, what about those people who came by with their daughter and all. So Mama said, okay, chalo chalte hain. So like it was sudden plan. They have actually gone to see two girls whom they actually called before and said that hum ladki dekhne aayenge.
They just like popped out of nowhere for you.
Yeah, for me they popped out of nowhere, but like for them they didn't inform beforehand. Anyway, so I like prepped the things, and then I came, and then Ammi said, तुम जाके बैठो और बातें करो, and मैं करती हूँ.
That is so. Even you do that to me, and I'm like, क्या बातें करूँ, bro? Like, no, what am I supposed to do? Stand in their face?
No. I was very good host.
No, even I'm a like okay-ish host, but like it's so awkward.
That's how you learn. That's how Ammi taught me. That's how I'm teaching you. Anyway, I sat there and I was talking about, because my mommy also used to teach, so I was talking about she asked me that क्या कर रही हो आजकल, and I was like मैं job कर रही हूँ, and then I was telling her about that couple of kids, because I used to teach kindergarten, and I had really funny stories. Anyways, so I was telling, and it was very hilarious, and like Mami was like, I was very casual, and honestly speaking, I was very confident.
Honestly, like they didn't tell कि लड़की देखने वाले, वरना थोड़ी सी तो आप like innocent मासूम बन जाती, but like normally like it's fine.
I was being myself. Okay, let's just be honest here.
That's
so I was
way
talking to
better.
their daughter, her name was Sharmeen. Of course, Sharmeen Puppo,
Sharmeen Kapoor and
Yeah.
Zishan
Chachu,
was
yeah.
there. So Danish Chachu wasn't there.
Yeah,
Okay.
Danish wasn't there. Anyway, so we were like, I was just telling about one kid that he's like up all night, and when he comes to my class, he's sleepy. So I put him to sleep in the classroom. So he like, when he wake up after 1 hour, he's a little fresh. And she was like funny, and she was like finding it very hilarious. And I remember thinking, who's the guy sitting? He's very quiet. I did not pay attention to him, really, honestly.
So wait, you didn't even like. You were just like, I don't care.
Yeah, I actually didn't bother, because I knew he's like nephew or of Mama, but like I didn't pay attention to him, honestly. And I like, my mind also didn't go that way.
Why would it go there?
Yeah, but I remember because he was like looking at me very suspiciously, and I found it really annoying. Your mama is gonna kill me for that.
Yes.
Like, he was very laid back, and I think for the first timers, he's very casual.
That Baba's like that everywhere.
Yeah.
He's very like chill and like
Yeah. Anyway, so he was there, and after we served them tea and everything, and they were still talking and all that. After that, like, my mother was also talking to Miraj, ke tum kya kar rahe ho, and all this kind of thing. As we had a talk and everything, and they all left. And then Ammi was like, casually like sensing me out that what I think of Miraj and thing. Anyway, the next day, it was holiday. It was Thursday. You used to have Thursday holiday or Saturday?
Yeah, you guys just had Thursday, Friday holiday.
Yeah, we used to
Now
have
we
Thursday.
have Friday, Saturday.
Yeah, so it was Thursday. It was early morning, like around 10:30, 11. Sitting, Ammi was sitting, I was sitting, and we were just talking. So phone rang, and then we had this ID, that whoever called, it was
Yeah, वो तो like landline.
Landline,
Right?
yeah.
Okay, yes, so that.
So it was like, of course, mommy's number and her name. So mommy called and she said कि आपने बुरा तो नहीं माना and all this, like small talk. And then suddenly she said अच्छा हाँ अच्छा फायजा जॉब कर रही है ये तो बहुत अच्छी बात है, आगे क्या प्लान है उसका, this kind of talk. फायजा की एज क्या है, अच्छा उसने कितना पढ़ा है, this kind of things ना, उसकी हाइट क्या है, इस तरह से she was asking. तो फिर उसने then they kept mommy kept the phone, and then Ammi was lying, मुझे पता था. So that evening itself, I think they sent a proposal.